Okay, we're out here.
My hand is hung in your grill.
Trying to open this hood, but Steve got his hand caught in the wrong spot.
This is true.
That's the only prior that I got.
Oh man. Wait a minute.
All right, here, take your hand and push it, the other hand, push down here. Push down there. Let me pull up here.
Oh, almost. Oh man, that was good. I didn't think I was going to get it out.
Well, we'd have busted the grill if we had to.
Or cut off the finger.
Oh, Lordy.
Okay.
All right.
Let's try to see if we can do anything else.
All right. Now,
the battery side.
Okay, here's the positive cable.
Oh.
So come off of that. And then just find the negative.
It don't matter, just you can hook a negative right here.
Yeah, okay. So
give me a positive. There you go. That thing is dead as $10.
It is. All right, there we go.
Well, always a hoe back.
I always got something mixing. Now figure out how to get this one open.
I ain't gonna stick my fingers in there.
There it is.
Well,
right here. It is.
But
there we go.
Oh, it's got a new battery in it.
Brand new battery.
Oh man, that's lovely.
Okay, you just touch that too. Let me see if I can pop that trunk.
Okay.
Well, the back window wiper's working. There we go.
Did it work?
Yep, we got her, bro.
We boosted off the trunk lid. That trunk will be done right today.
Hold tight just a minute. Hold tight. Okay. All righty.
Turned over.
Yeah. All righty.
Nobody wants to work on it. That's the thing. If somebody did, they might have it fixed.
Yeah. Yeah, just go ahead and disconnect it for right now. Uh-oh.
What's that?
Uh-oh. My title from my new car. It's blowing around.
They ain't gone tomorrow.
Uh-oh. I gotta sit down, Steve.
Okay.
My leg hurting me. I tell you what you can do. If you would. Oh. Oh. Oh, Lord. Back that car right up to the trunk of that one.
Okay.
and just unload. You know what I'm saying?
In the trunk?
Trunk to trunk.
Okay.
Yeah, get everything. Hey, Brother Steve. Down in the spare tire, I got a whole bunch of stuff down in there too. It's got to come out.
Oh, down in here? Okay.
Thank you, brother. Oh, my legs hurt me so bad. Chemotherapy did that to me. Destroyed my leg muscles. Yep. Here, I'm getting rid of the old Satrun. Oh, thank you, bro. You know what? Them the socks I got on right there. Those heat socks.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get me some more. I'll love them.
Oh, they're nice.
You know what? They're great for my neuropathy.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I wouldn't close that all the way so we can get back in it again.
I had to put it down so I could.
Yeah.
The keys in it?
Keys in it. Just turn it around and pop the trunk or pull it around and just back up to it, and
Okay.
I'll try and come back here and help you a little bit. That's hard to get in and out of, ain't it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's good.